It is fucking raining so hard right now. Holy shit. It's awesome. Everything is wet. The first time that this ground has been wet since May. Fucking incredible. It's exactly what we need. I don't know if the camera's actually picking up how much it's raining, but man, it's looking good out there. It's gonna clear up the smoke, gonna put out some fires, nourish the soil, maybe get this fire ban lifted so we can have a goddamn fire. Fuck, it's nice out here. Never wanted rain more than I want rain right now, and here it is. Absolutely incredible.